welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because you guys are going to help me decorate my bedroom. I have some tips and tricks for newlyweds, so I thought I would share them with you guys. So if you guys are interested in watching, let's go ahead and go into the bedroom. Alright, so here is me and Kyle's bedroom. It's like medium size, it's not huge whatsoever, but some tips I have before we put any of the decorations up are keep one of your all's bed frames. So that is Kyle's old bed frame. We don't love it, okay? Like, we don't love the brown. It kind of looks a little bit just like the older style. And then we also have this piece over here that came with his set as well, which we ended up keeping. In the future, we would love to upgrade our set, but if you want to save a little bit of money, I would recommend sticking with one of your all's bed frames, and if you have like a matching furniture piece as well, save it and then work around it. All the decor I chose today was around these brown pieces, which again aren't my favorite, but the decor makes it a lot cuter. So let's go ahead and start decorating. So starting out with our mattress, we got the Live and Sleep mattress, which is so nice. It has a little bit of a firmer feel, and it was about $500. In the future, we would love to get a Tempur-Pedic, but those are like outrageous. So I would definitely suggest buying a foam bed on Amazon. They are super cheap and actually really good quality. So I'll leave this one in the description box down below. We just got it, and it's like heavenly compared to our old one. The old one had like big holes in it and it just was not comfortable. The first thing I put on the bed are these white sheets. I love white sheets because you can bleach them if you get any stains on them or anything, so that's really, really nice. And it's just a very neutral basic color as well. So let's go ahead and put on all the bedding. Bedspread. It's a little bit wrinkly right now, but I love these throw pillows. Another tip is if you get a lot of gift cards from like Bed Bath & Beyond or Target and you have extra money left over that you haven't used, I would definitely recommend buying decor with them. I bought these throw pillows from Bed Bath & Beyond and I love them so much, but if you're registered at like Target or anything, they also have a ton of cute throw pillows. So I would definitely recommend getting some because sometimes they can be a little bit expensive. And then what I like about neutral bedding, the brown bedding, is I can change out the pillows and mix it up whenever I want. So we got these side tables, one over here and one over there from Target, and we really, really like them, and I think they were pretty inexpensive. If they're still in Target, I'll make sure to link them down below, but we really love them. You do have to assemble them by yourself, but what I like is you can decorate them super duper cute. So I got two matching lamps for our nightstands. I love this kind of crackled gray with the gold. I think it's so modern and really kind of cool. And I just love this kind of cashmere color up here. And then I got one of Kyle's old books that I really liked. I thought it was kind of like rustic and pretty. And I placed just a little fake plant that I got from Target on there. He likes a very simple, manly kind of nightstand, so we kept it really simple and I think it looks super cute. Okay, so then I have this same lamp over here, and then I just got one of my books. I took off the cover. I think it looks more just rustic and cute when you don't have a cover. And then I have this little candle that I got from, what's that cute store? Anthropologie. And I love the smell of it, and it's just really little, and it matches the gold on the bottom of this lamp, which I really, really like. So simple over here as well. Sometimes I'll add a little bit of like flowers if I want some more color in the room over here, but I don't have any fresh flowers right now. And then I like having warm lights in your room. When you have warm lights at night, it just makes it feel a little bit more cozy and more comfortable. So when you get a lamp, make sure to get warm light bulbs. That really helps just warm up the room. Another tip that we really like to bring a little liveliness to the room is doing one wall with like a pop of color. What I really like too is it just brings some contrast into the room. So say you live in an apartment and you can't paint your walls, there is removable wallpaper that you can get from like Home Depot, Target, or on Amazon. And it's really cool because it won't damage the walls and it will bring some life into your room. Okay, so another tip that I have is putting big pictures up on the wall to take up wall space. I was wanting to do like little pictures, but that actually ended up adding up really quickly. So buying the frames, printing out the pictures, I was like, I just need to do 2 big pictures on my wall. So this is the first big picture. We love this canvasy material. I got it from Hobby Lobby, and I love Hobby Lobby so much because they have a lot of discounts, which is really nice. We love to travel, so I wanted to get a big map that we could look at every day and kind of point to where we wanted to go. And then all these little black magnets are where we've already been already. So I have a back magnet and a front magnet, and I put where we have been. We went to Mexico for our honeymoon, so this is kind of where we've been. We would love to go to Europe someday. Stick around, we might be doing some Europe vlogs in the near future, so if you guys want to see those, make sure to subscribe. So for the second big picture, I got this from Target. I love the blues, the browns, and the golds. The golds really just are my little accent piece around the room, so this picture really ties it in together, and I love the blue because it gives us like a pop of color in the room, which is really nice. So this picture is one of my favorites. It was a little bit more on the pricey side. I think it was like $50, but I love that it fits the length of this dresser and it fills up the room. So those 2 big pictures that I have, I really don't need much more. The only thing I want to get next is, if you look over there, you will see above my bed. I want something over there. I'm not sure what yet, maybe a mirror, something like that. The last tip I have is just to get pieces little by little. Don't go in and blow all your money on a bunch of new room decor. I gathered these pieces for months, and I found this piece, then I found that piece. Don't just go in and buy everything, because that's how you really break the bank. And so if you can look for sales and stuff like that, that really, really helps. And I think that's it, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!